What I'm gonna do in this video is that I'm gonna use the email marketing connected to Mailing Boss to redirect people into my own thank you page. Okay, so I'm gonna create here an email marketing form, which I'm going to connect it to Mailing Boss. I'm gonna use this list test. So I have here my email marketing form. Okay, so basically, if you go to Mailing Boss and if we go to that specific list, which is test, and we go to update, here you can select the field and add the field for your email marketing form directly from here. Okay, so I have my name, my last name, my email, and a GDPR box here, right, which is the same that I'm displaying here. If I want to add an additional field like a phone number, which we have here the add phone prefix drop down and phone number text field. Let's say that I want to add phone number text field, which is this one. Okay, so I will leave it like it is. I will set it as required, and I will put the sort order. So the sort order will be the first will be the name, the second will be the last name, the third one will be the email, the fourth will be the phone number. Okay, and the last one will be the GDPR box, which will be fifth. Okay, so I'm gonna save the changes so I can rearrange the order of this form. Okay, so I have here my form, and I'm gonna go back to the editor. I'm gonna select the list again so I can update the fields here. So you can see that I have my phone number already in place. So if I want to create here on pages, I want to modify the subscribe confirm email, which is the email the users get into the email once they go into my email marketing form. I'm gonna edit the email, and I can simply just add images. I can also hide the subscribe URL with a hyperlink, which is over here. Okay, so this is basically how it works. I'm gonna go into my email marketing form. I'm gonna right click on it, and I'm gonna go to change URL. Change URL allows me to use the redirection for my clients. So the first option will be after they click on this button. Okay, so I'm gonna take them into a confirmation email, which it will display to them that they need to go into the email and confirm the subscription. Okay, so I'm gonna go over here and select that page. For me, it will be confirm email. Okay, you have to create these pages. These pages does not create by themselves, so you have to go into your layout and create that page for it. Okay, so for the second option, I'm gonna select here the thank you page. Okay, when this redirection occurs, the second redirection is that after they fill this information and click over here, they will be taken to the confirmation email. So they will need to go into their email, right? Open the email they will receive, which it will be this one, and they're gonna click over here. After they click over here, you will see that there's a tag. So you need to leave that tag over there because it was automatically generated by Mailing Boss. Okay, so that will be replaced by a confirmation email. Okay, that it will be attached to that subscriber. So this subscriber will get into their email, click over here, and it will be take them to this thank you page. So if you don't select anything there, like this, okay, it will automatically take them into a confirmation page created by Mailing Boss. But since I already created a thank you page, I want to place here the thank you page. So basically, the steps are followed. So I'm gonna type here my name, I'm gonna confirm the GDPR box, I'm gonna click over here, and I will be taken into my confirmation email page. After that, I'm gonna go into my email, I'm gonna click over here, and I will be taken to a thank you page. So at the same time, I'm confirming my email, and at the same time, I'm redirecting them to a this thank you page. So let's do the test. I'm gonna go and click save, so I can save the changes over here, and I'm gonna test my site. I have here my name, my last name, and my email. The phone number can be anyone, and I'm gonna select the GDPR box. So I'm gonna click over here on my bottom. So This error is because I have not created that website entirely. So I have here my confirmation email. I have to create here this. I'm gonna put this here. I'll save the changes again. So this is basically how the confirmation email works. So please open your email, click on the confirmation link. Let's try that again. So now it's loaded. So I'm gonna go to my email, right? I'm gonna make sure that the thank you page is working. This is the thank you page. I do the same. So I'm gonna go into my email. This is my confirmation email. You can see that I just received my email. I'm gonna click over here, and as you can see, I'm taken to my thank you page. So this is the steps as follows. So I'm gonna fill the form. I'm gonna get into this page. I'm gonna go to my email. I'm gonna click over here, and I will be taken to my thank you page.